graduated from law school, as soon as I got out, got a job, the first thing I did was buy a motorcycle. I bought a Honda. I had that for 6 months, and then I bought a bigger one. And then I bought a Harley. Yeah, that would have been 72. I bought my first Harley, which that's a picture of it up there. 72 Sportster. That was the way we did it back then. Not much of a seat on it. A lot of pegs all over the place. Pull back bars. And this is a Sportster. We extended the front end on it. And that's my son, he's 42 now.
And that's you?
Yeah. We did Colorado, Arizona, New Mexico 1 year. We did the Canadian ice field parkways up to Banff and Jasper. We've been in Newfoundland a couple of times with motorcycles, Nova Scotia, and across Canada. And I've ridden to and in every one of the lower 48 states except Washington, Oregon, and Idaho. Those are the only 3 states in the lower 48 I haven't ridden in. Definitely over 500,000 miles, and I don't know if I'm pushing 1 million or not, but a lot of riding over the years. I have 34 screws, 5 plates, 11 broken ribs, scar from here to here, pelvis broken in 2 places, cut down to the kneecap, down to the shin, and down to the shin from different things that have happened over the years. But you know, I don't walk with a limp, so I can say that at least. For some people, risk is an important part of life. You know, risk makes life worth living for some of us, and a certain element of risk, yeah, there is that. Makes you feel alive.